In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and WooCommerce. We'll walk through finding WooCommerce via Google, exploring themes, choosing extensions that add the features you need, and tapping into business services that help you design a product page like a pro. Keep your store's goals in mind as we go, and feel free to pause and compare options before making choices. Start by opening your browser and searching for WooCommerce on Google. Look for the official result from WooCommerce.com. This ensures you're on the trusted site with the latest resources and marketplace items. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation. You'll see areas for themes, extensions, and business services. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal for browsing purchases and saved items, but you can also explore publicly visible listings first. Head to Themes. This is where you pick the visual foundation for your store. Browse by category, or use filters to narrow your options by industry, style, or price. Preview demos to see how pages flow, how menus behave, and how product grids look on both desktop and mobile. Pay special attention to responsiveness, performance notes, and compatibility with the latest version of WooCommerce and WordPress. Theme descriptions often list supported builders and key features. Check those to make sure the theme aligns with how you prefer to design. When comparing, imagine your own product images and descriptions in place of the demo content to judge whether the layout supports your brand. Next, go to Extensions. Extensions add the functionality your store needs, from payments and shipping to subscriptions, product add-ons, SEO, and analytics. Use search and filters to quickly find what matters most to your workflow. Open individual extension pages to review features, screenshots, version compatibility, pricing, and support details. Look at ratings and recent update history to gauge reliability. A helpful approach is to prioritize core needs first, such as payments and shipping, then layer in enhancements like reviews, badges, or product customization tools once the essentials are covered. Finally, explore business services. This area connects you with tools and professional help to elevate your product pages and overall store experience. If your goal is to design a product page like a pro, look for services that support high-quality imagery, clear product information architecture, speed optimization, and conversion best practices. Many listings outline what's included and typical turnaround times. Use these to fill expertise gaps, whether that's design polishing, content refinement, or performance tuning, so your product pages load fast, look trustworthy, and guide visitors smoothly to checkout. That's the full path. Find WooCommerce via Google, choose a theme, add the right extensions, and use business services to refine your product pages. Take your time comparing options and build confidently.